Welcome, intrepid explorers. Prepare to be whisked away on a virtual journey through the enchanting of Iran, where history and culture intertwine in a symphony of beauty and wonder. As we meander through the ancient streets and vibrant bazaars of this magical city, let your imagination soar and your curiosity be piqued by the treasures that await around every corner. From the majestic architecture of its mosques and palaces to the fragrant gardens that bloom with poetry and romance, Iran beckons you to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of sights and sounds. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and untold stories of this captivating destination, and let the spirit of Iran captivate your soul. Like, share, and subscribe to embark on this unforgettable adventure with us. Let's dive into the wonders of Iran together. Does the term street market sound familiar to you? You probably know that some streets in different cities of Iran are famous because of the existence of shops and arcades that belong to a certain guild and are all located on the same street. As a result, that street turns into a street market. A part of Mashhad market belongs to Mashhad street markets, and these markets have been prosperous since ancient times. Among the most famous street markets of Mashhad, we can mention DJI Street for bags and shoes, Rahnamaee Street for coats, and S20 Street for electronics. Today, we have come to the famous and luxurious street of Mashhad's Rahnamaee. Rahnamaee neighborhood is one of the very old neighborhoods of Mashhad city, which gradually entered the urban context from around 1350. Based on the zoning of Mashhad municipality, this neighborhood is located in the area of Zone 1 and is in the west of Mashhad. In addition to commercial shops, residential houses can also be seen in this street. We invite you to watch this wonderful street.
تستش کنیم تستش علیه هست جمعون حالا عبون سوپ
آره پاساژ شلوار